Welcome to our SEOPress tutorial. You're watching the SEOPress channel. Let's get started. Once you're in the Advanced tab, click on the Appearance subtab. Scroll down. Choose the checkbox you want to enable. Don't forget to save. Click Apply to confirm. Now, see your results. To boost your traffic and save hours on SEO tasks, upgrade to SEOPress PRO and unlock powerful features to take full control of your SEO. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to the SEOPress channel for more expert tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing with SEOPress.